Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you 7 free app development courses that you can take to learn coding. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these courses will provide you with knowledge and skills you need to create your own app. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Hi, I'm Harsha. I'm a content writer who's passionate about making education accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or financial status. Through my blog, Aspire Wisdom, I provide free courses and learning tips to help you improve your skills and achieve your goal. I'm dedicated to provide high-quality resources that can help you develop your skills and unlock your full potential. So, what is app development? App development is the process of creating software applications for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It involves designing, coding, testing, publishing apps to App Store. Mobile app development is different from other types of software development because it's specifically designed for mobile devices. Apps are optimized for touchscreen and can take advantage of the features such as GPS, camera, etc. In app development, you'll learn how to create apps that are not only functional but user-friendly and visually appealing. You'll learn how to code using different programming languages such as Java, Swift, Kotlin. You'll also learn how to use development tools and frameworks that can help you create apps more efficiently. App development is one of the most lucrative careers in the tech industry today. The demand for mobile app continues to grow as more and more people are using mobile devices for everyday tasks. The average salary of a mobile app developer is over $100,000 per year. With the right skills and knowledge, you could be on your way to a successful career as an app developer. And the best part is, you don't need a formal degree to get started. There are plenty of free courses available online that can help you learn app development. In this video, I'll be sharing 7 free app development courses to help you get started on your app development journey. So now that we understand what is app development, now let's know the difference between app development and web development as well. App development and web development are two different fields in the world of software development. With both involved creating software, they have different requirements and purposes. Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications that are accessed through web browsers. Web developers use programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create interactive and responsive web pages. Web development focuses on designing and creating websites that can be accessed from any devices that has an internet connection. On the other hand, app development is a process of creating software applications that are designed to run on mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. App developers use programming languages such as Java, Swift, Kotlin to create mobile apps that are optimized for touchscreen and can take advantage of features such as GPS, cameras, etc. To summarize, the main difference between app development and web development is the platform they are used for. App development focuses on creating mobile apps that can be run on mobile devices, while web development focuses on creating websites and applications that can be accessed through a web browser or any devices with an internet connection. So now that that's all clear, let's get to the list of 7 free app development courses that you need to take. First, Introduction to Android Mobile Application Development. Meta, the parent company of Facebook, offers this free app development course on Coursera. This course is designed for beginners and covers the basics of mobile app development for Android devices. In this course, you will learn about the Android app development system and how to use Android Studio, a popular development tool. You will also learn how to build a video player app from start to finish. This course is 12 hours long and can be audited for free. If you want a certificate of completion, you can pay for it. Second, Introduction to iOS Mobile Application Development. Meta offers a free iOS app development course on Coursera. This course is designed for beginners and covers the general principle of mobile app development for iOS platform. In this course, you will learn how to set up and explore iOS Xcode environment as well as create a video player app from start to finish. The course takes 12 hours and can be audited for free. If you want a certificate of completion, you can pay for it. Third, Learn React Native. Code Academy offers a free intermediate level app development course that teaches you how to use React Native and Xcode to create mobile apps. The course covers core components, styling, and navigation and takes 7 hours to complete. If you are new to React Native, you'll need to complete 2 other Code Academy courses on JavaScript and React before taking this one. However, if you're already familiar with the React Native, you can jump start and do this course. This course is free and is offered by Expo. You can also purchase a certificate of completion if you want. Fourth, develop apps for iOS. Apple developers offer a free app development course for making iOS app with Swift UI. The intermediate level course covers Swift UI and UI Kit essentials and teaches you how to build an app. This course is available in both text to read and video format and is completely free. The duration of the course is 14 hours and is provided by Apple itself. Fifth, front-end development libraries. This free app development course on Free Code Camp is designed for those who are already familiar with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. The course covers Bootstrap, jQuery, Sass, React, Redux, and front app development library projects. It's a comprehensive course that spans 300 hours and is aimed at enhancing your programming skills. Upon completion, you can also get a free certificate. 6. Java for Android. This free course is available on Coursera and is a great way to learn Java programming for Android app development. You will also learn how to use Android Studio, write a simple app using Java, work with control flow and structured data, and understand the classes, interfaces, inheritance. The course is 39 hours long and can be audited for free, with the option to pay for certificate of completion. The last course on the list today is 7th, Advanced Diploma in Mobile Application Development. This course covers a range of topics related to app development. It starts with an introduction to the modern application development and then moves on to the topic like command line approach in web application, HTML, CSS developing, web application with servlets, GSP, etc. The course is provided by Allison, an online learning platform, and is offered for free. It has a duration of 15 plus hours and is categorized as an advanced level course. Additionally, paid certificates are available for those who wish to obtain a certificate of completion. So there you have it. 7 free app development courses that you can take to learn coding. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these courses will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to create your own apps. And the best part is, you can learn all of this for free. By taking free courses, you can learn at your own pace without having to invest a lot of money. All the links for the courses will be provided in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comment which course you are excited to try out. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Bye.